दिल्ली में कल हुई तेज बरसात और जलजमाव के चलते लगातार प्रभावित इलाके हमने देखे, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा प्रभावित जो क्षेत्र हुआ है वो है एम्स के अस्पताल का, जहां पर ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स जो हैं वो ठप पड़े हुए हैं। तस्वीरें अस्पताल की आपको दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से यहां पर अभी भी लोगों का आना जाना जारी है, लेकिन साफ तौर पर कल भयंकर बरसात के कारण दिल्ली के एम्स ऑपरेशन थिएटर प्रभावित हुए हैं। ऑपरेशन थिएटर बंद भी रहेंगे आज, इसके चलते दर्जनों सर्जरियां जो हैं वो प्रभावित हुई है। एम्स ने अपने आदेश में कहा है कि आपातकालीन सर्जरी की आवश्यकता वाले मरीजों को सफदरजंग और अन्य सरकारी अस्पतालों में भेजा जाना चाहिए। स्टोर रूम तक हालांकि पानी पहुंच गया है, ये जानकारी आई है। भारी बरसात के कारण सीएनसी ब्लॉक जो है वो प्रभावित रहेगा।
Viewers, amidst heavy rains and a roof collapse at the Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport, which resulted in 1 death and 8 injuries, with several cars which were completely crushed. According to reports, Delhi Fire Services received a call regarding a roof collapse at the airport around 5:30 in the morning. Beside the roof, the support beam also collapsed, damaging the car parked in the vicinity. Following the incident, all departures from T1 of the Terminal 1 of IGI were temporarily suspended. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Manohar Naidu took stock of the situation and assured full assistance and said the situation is being thoroughly investigated. After taking stock of the situation, he also met the injured at the hospital. Let's listen in to what the family of the driver from Rohini who lost his life due to this canopy collapse had to say.
अब सर इस चीज का लापरवाही है, ये तो एयरपोर्ट की। अब इस चीज की तो जांच होनी चाहिए सर। जिम्मेदार तो सरकार को मानते हैं कि इतना बड़ा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है, वहाँ पे वीआईपी लोग भी सब जाते हैं। आजकल उनके साथ हादसा हो जाता है ऐसा, तो सर क्या होता? सर अथॉरिटी की ओर से तो मुआवजे की वो कर सकते हैं, पर ये जांच होनी चाहिए इस चीज की कि ये लापरवाही है बिल्कुल।
और यहाँ पे जो इतना बड़ा हादसा हुआ है उसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है, ये प्रशासन का काम है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि जो है ये एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी जिम्मेदार है इसके लिए। और इतना बड़ा हादसा होने के बावजूद भी अभी तक किसी की तरफ से कोई परिवार को सांत्वना नहीं दी गई है, ये बड़ी शर्मसार है। आप लोग यहाँ पे पहुँचे, मीडिया वाले, परिवार पुलिस से गुहार लगाता रहा, पुलिस ने कोई हेल्प नहीं की। तो हमारी बस इतनी गुजारिश है कि इस परिवार की सहायता की जाए।
परिवार इस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा सदमे में है। मैं बस यही कह सकता हूँ सरकार से कि परिवार की जितनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मदद हो सके परिवार की बस मदद करी जाए। घर में बस वही था कमाने वाला और कोई है नहीं।
And in the aftermath of the Delhi airport roof collapse, the opposition is targeting the centre, calling it proof of collapsing infrastructure under the Modi government. The opposition is alluding to what it calls BJP's desperation for optics. They believe the BJP is in a hurry to inaugurate projects before elections, and that is what they say resulted in this tragedy that happened today. Obviously, talking about all the politics which is happening around this canopy collapse, the opposition, obviously, as one would expect, has gotten a lot of ammunition to attack the BJP, and they're doing the same. Sabyasachi joining us on the phone line with more details on the same. Sabyasachi, take us through the war of words which has emanated over, one, the canopy collapse at the Delhi's T1 Terminal 1 at the IGI airport, and also, obviously, the Delhi deluge and the sufferings of the Aam Aadmi.
Well, absolutely. At this particular time, the opposition parties have been raking up their attack against the central government. The opposition has been stating that the central government has not been taking care of the airport. We have seen that three incidents has taken place so far. The major one being here in the Delhi airport, the terminal airport, which is one of the busiest airports here in the national capital. Around 200 flights every day take off and take down here at the airport. Meanwhile, see, from the ministry itself, they have said that a structural investigation would be carried out of all the airports in the country to make sure that such situation does not take place. See, on the other hand, the opposition has been attacking both Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the BJP government, stating they have been completely incompetent in handling this situation. This is the first such incident that had happened today in Rajkot. Luckily, nobody was present when the canopy collapsed. Nobody was injured. Unfortunately, here in the national capital, the airport has been shut down. Services are going on in Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. But at this particular time, be it the Congress party or the Trinamool Congress all of them have targeted the central government, stating that is the
All right,
government...
Sabyasachi. So the war of words escalating over the Delhi deluge. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. We'll be slipping into a short commercial break. And on the other side, viewers, we will be taking you through the...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.